Hey everyone, my name is Manju and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're watching my video, then do check out my channel. If you like any of the video, then do hit that subscribe button. Also, if you wish to see any sort of video, then do let me know in the comment section and I'll try to do as soon as possible. So coming to today's video, in this video, I'm going to share some really simple poses that you could try if you're someone who feels you're non-photogenic, also if you're someone who is camera shy. So these poses will work if you are not comfortable showing your face. Also for each pose, I'm going to add my pictures which you can use as a reference. So if you want to know what all poses I'm going to talk about, then keep on watching. First pose is very simple and basic pose that everyone would know already, which is turning backward. In order to click this picture, you need to have a very good location in front of you. So all you have to do is stand in front of very good location and you're done. This pose works much better in front of beaches. Not just turning backside, but you can also raise your hand, do something with your hand. You can also add such elements into this picture if you do not want to stand still. This way the main subject will be the location, but you are still in the picture. So do try this pose as this is very simple. So as I said earlier, I'm going to insert pictures also on the screen so you can have a look. So the second pose would be looking downwards. So when you look downwards, the focus is not directly onto you and you're not even showing your face. So that way you can click some really cute pictures. So during this pose, you can try to play with your hair and put your hand on your waist, etc. So you can do anything with your hand, but look downwards. Also with this pose, you can show your entire outfit and the focus will be onto your outfit. During this pose, the viewer can see only your brows, hair and your lashes. Try to load up lots of mascara onto your lashes and also define your brows, as that is the only area that is gonna focus and gives a very structured look. So before getting into next pose, all you have to know is which profile suits you. For example, few people looks better with left profile and few with right profile. You need to know which profile suits you well. For example, I look better with left profile rather than my right profile. Similarly, know which side suits you better. So the next pose ideally would be clicking pictures from one side of your face. So in order to click these pictures, firstly, as I said, know your profile, start clicking from that end. So this is a very great tip if you want to get better pictures. So if you're someone who already know about this, then well and good. Now let's move on to the last but one pose, which is using shades. The main advantage of using shades is when you try to use shades, half of your face is already covered and you're not in contact with the camera, which is a great thing. So if you try to click lot of pictures but you're not getting it, add shades and that will turn into a great pictures. So there are a lot of pictures that would not turn into that great if I didn't add shades. Shades are one best thing which you can add with any of the outfit. Try getting at least one pair of shades that suits you really well and try clicking pictures with that. So the last pose for this video is complete no face pictures. So in these pictures, you will completely hide your face either with your hair or with your hand, or completely not showing your face and clicking some other thing. Basically means the subject will be you, but you will not be shown. I guess these are all the poses that I would want to share in this video. So if you want a part 2 or some other posing idea videos, then do let me know in the comment section. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, here is my account and the link is provided in the description. Do check out and follow, and you can find all these pictures in my account and a lot more pictures. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back again next week. So until then,